Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Well, today we're going to be making my very first recipe when I started keto. We're going to be making the 90-second keto bread, and we're going to go right into the recipe in about a minute or so, but it's not going to take very long, but you're going to need some type of a ramekin or microwavable safe bowl. So without further ado, let's just go right into the recipe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For this recipe, you'll need 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, and I have over here in the measuring cup 3 tablespoons of almond flour or 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. Now you'll melt the butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Be careful to be hot, and then once you have it melted, you'll add the almond flour into the microwavable safe ramekin. I forgot to mention you'll need at least a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and that was the white powder that was on the top before I had mixed it. And then we're going to take 1 egg, and 1 egg out room temperature, 1 large egg. Follow me along, you guys will be fine. And then I'm going to take some, I believe this particular recipe, I took a whisk and I whisked it up until it made like a little bit of a batter. Well, no, I'm using a spoon, a fork rather. I thought I used a whisk for this, but yeah, just follow me along. This is my very first recipe I ever posted on YouTube, and of course, as they say, the rest is history. And then once you got the batter all mixed, like a really thick batter, like it's forming, and just take it and you pop it into the microwave for 90 seconds. It may need a little more time depending on your microwave and your wattage. Remember, all microwavable times vary. Here I'm just checking the texture of the bread. Now let's place it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So I'm just hitting the button for 1 minute, and then I added 30 more seconds to it. And here it is. I'm taking it out of the microwave, and of course it is very hot. And then I'm taking a knife, and I'm running a knife on the bottom just to make sure it'll pop out easy. And I got it on the paper plate. As you can see, I just running a knife across the bread itself, and then I'm going to pop it out into the on the plate. Now you could cut that in half and just fry up the bread afterwards and make any one of your favorite sandwiches out of it. These are really great, and there you have our final product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.